Assalamualaikum everyone, this is my first video. Today I am making a beautiful light pendant. First time I'm trying it. Let's see how it is turn out. Wish me luck. Things we need: pen, marker, water, plaster, a pair of scissors, thread, bowl, spoon, or something to mix with. Add water. Now mix, and mix until you get right consistency. Until you get the not too thick and not too runny consistency. Now take balloon and mark a circle like this and place it. Now take thread. Cut it and dip it into the mixture we made previously. Like this. Looks like Maggie. It looks like white sauce pasta. Yum, yum, yum. And now wrap the entire balloon with the dip thread. Till you think that's enough. Now wait for about 1 or 2 days until it's completely dry. Now the fun part. Let's count together. 1, 2, and 3. And boom! I made a mistake. Instead of plaster of Paris, you can use glue or white cement. Thanks for watching.